Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here, how you doing? I know that I have been posting quite a lot of videos lately. It's a thing that I do, and whenever I get an idea, I just film it and upload it. And I don't really have a schedule. But the thing that I do want to talk about today, I'm leaving for England tomorrow, and I must say that every time I'm getting nervous. Uh, I'm always getting nervous uh, because uh, I don't really know why. Um, since I have been traveling quite a bit, but I always get nervous. And especially now that it's a new place, even though it's a familiar country, but it's a new town. So that makes it even more uh, getting me more anxious. But yeah, I will see how it goes, and hopefully I will get some sleep during the night. Um, so, as I said in my earlier video, I will keep you posted on my website how what I'm doing, and yeah. So I don't have much to say. Uh, I haven't packed yet either. Uh, I do have a laundry time today. Well, tonight really. So I will do that, and later on I will pack. Um, so yeah, I don't have much to say. Follow my website, like the video, subscribe if you're new, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch app down below. Otherwise, peace.